that relationship between the chemistry and the medicine is a very stronger relationship because the chemistry can help to understanding the function of the endocrine system. It also helps practitioners and instance how drugs work and to prescribe the correct ones in the correct doses. Without the chemistry, the medicines can the doctors can find a cure from the for the disease. Also, without the without the chemistry, we can since the scientists can find all that stuff like the drugs, like the antibiotics, and the medicines to cure the disease. Cure the disease.
The application of chemistry in food is more common than what we think. For example, we discover procedures in the application of chemicals in food, such as cooling, freezing, pasteurization, drying, and smoking. Also, we can apply the chemistry to give color to some food and give the flavor. With the development of science and technology of power in recent years, several new substances have been discovered. It can process beneficial drugs in food, and these substances colorful additives are now available for everyone.
Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties or chemical substance as weapons. This type of warfare is distinct from nuclear warfare and biological warfare, which together make up NBC. The military acronym for nuclear, biological, and chemical, all of which are considered weapons of mass destruction. None of these fall under the term conventional weapons, which are primarily effective due to their destructive potential. With proper protective equipment, training, and decontamination measures, the primary effect of chemical weapons can be overcome. Many nations possess vast stockpiles of weaponized agents in preparation for wartime use. The threat and the perceived threat have become strategy tools in planning both measures and countermeasures. Chemistry and the global warming. In the last 20 years, the amount of CO2 in our atmosphere has nearly doubled. Average temperature in Alaska, western Canada, and eastern Russia have risen at twice the global average. The last 2 decades were the hottest decades in 400 years. Arctic ice is rapidly disappearing, and it is predicted that the Arctic may have its first completely ice-free summer, 2040. Coral reefs, which are highly sensitive to small change in water temperature, suffered the worst bleaching in response to stress ever recorded. Things such as industrialization, deforestation, and pollution have greatly increased the concentration of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in our atmosphere. Solution for the global warming. Number 1. Stop deforestation. Tropical deforestation accounts for about 10% of the world's heat-tripping emission, equivalent to the annual total emission of 600 million average US cars. Reducing tropical deforestation can significantly lower global warming emission and together with efforts to reduce emissions from fossil fuels plays an integral role in a comprehensive long-term solution to global warming. Number 2. Reduce emissions. In order to effectively address global warming, we must significantly reduce the amount of heat-trapping emissions we are putting into the atmosphere. As individuals, we can help by taking action to reduce our personal carbon emissions, but to fully address the threat of global warming, we must demand action from our elected leaders to support and implement a comprehensive set of climate solutions. Number 3. Fight missing information. Why basis has too difficult to achieve meaningful solution to global warming. Media pundits, partition think tanks, and special interest groups funded by fossil fuels and related industries raise doubts about the truth of global warming. This barrage for missing information misleads and confuses the public about the growing impacts of global warming. Our conclusion is that the chemistry is advanced too quickly between us and now is in our daily lives. The scientists are always researching more about all the universe.